Write it down, man's a madman lyricist. No breaks, card man, just limitless. Man's killing the generation I'm living in. And any beat that I'm giving, I'm ripping it. So many bars, man, carry like Mariah. And when I spit, I ignite, no lighter. Man talks realness, I ain't no liar. Build an empire, I'm trying to go higher. I'll get dirty like Dyke and I'll fizz up like Sprite. Feelings I'm written, all this sickness shit that I'm spitting, I'm ready to kill it. I'm the definition of winning. Vision, you in the featherweight fam, you in the wrong division. Ain't no top when the calm down with your tiny temper. I'm on the beat, it gets cold like December. You best remember who you go toe to toe with, cause I'm the hardest in the game fam, you know this. You man best believe that my light vision is the best on the scene. You man best believe that my light vision is the best on the scene. When I'm on the track, I run it like Usain. When the man's live, I blow like a grenade. You best pray when the mic's in my hand. When it comes to this rap, it's a no man's land. Where I stand, I beg you don't take no chance to be a first round ending like Masvidal. I don't watch what I say, cause a man's too loud. I could up be any rapper, are you hearing me now? Look, flows are magnificent. Man, they be hating because I be different. You're starting, I'm finishing. When it comes to the music, a man just limitless. I know that you're feeling this. Call JT like yo G, you seeing this? Kids just be killing it, flows are just wicked. I'm gifted and fucking explicit. Southside where the raps are naughty. I'm different, I'll tell my story. I'm loud so you won't ignore me. Don't try till the thing gets gory. I'm doing this for my glory. You man, that's more like Tory. Vision is way too saucy. These other rappers are corny. You man best believe that man like vision is the best on the scene. You man best believe that my light vision is the best on the scene. No pen or paper, but I still draw your attention. They hit me up for features, blood-sucking leeches. They students, I'm teaching. With music, I'm preaching. I'm a king, like Steven. My people, they feeling I'm a voice for the people. What you doing for rap? Yeah, you claim you're the greatest, all you do is cap. You chat shit, you little dip, but it is what it is. Cause you still hit me up like we friends, you little bill. Huh, yeah, I'm sick of this shit. These rappers talk about the pain, but who's realer than this? They can't even admit, cause you still chat your slayer. Try and knock me down, you're a little hater. Hip-hop savior, fake friends later. We been doing majors, don't try to be in danger. This is my nature, trying to chase paper. Don't hit me up for favors, don't hit me up for favors. You man best believe that my light vision is the best on the scene. You man best believe that my light vision is the best on the scene. You done know.